Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to add a date picker calendar in Excel 365, step by step, so you can easily select dates directly within your spreadsheet. Step 1. Open your Excel 365 workbook and think about where you want the date picker to appear. This feature lets you click a cell, see a calendar icon, and simply pick a date, no typing required. But before using it, we need to install an add-in called Date Picker. Step 2. To get started, open your browser and go to www.samradapps.com. Scroll down the page until you see the Download Now for Excel button. Click it. Step 3. Once downloaded, locate the zip file on your computer, right-click on it, choose Extract All, and then click the Extract button to unzip the contents. After extracting, open the folder and click inside the address bar at the top to copy the full folder path. Step 4. Now go back to Excel. Click on the File tab, select Options, and in the new window, go to the Advanced section. Scroll down until you find the option called At Startup, Open All Files In, and paste the copied folder address into that box. Then click OK to save. Step 5. To see the date picker appear, restart Excel. You should now see the date picker icon in the Home tab. Click on any cell where you want to enter a date, and the calendar icon will show up. Click it, and you can scroll through months or even select a different year to pick your date easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more Excel tips made easy.